If you want to improve your overall health, you must take good care of your kidneys. One simple but effective way to do so is to use apple cider vinegar. And that is the topic of this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. It goes without saying that the kidneys are one of the most essential organs in the human body. They help remove waste, maintain fluid balance, and filter minerals and toxins in the blood. This is why we must focus on taking good care of our kidneys and urinary system. As previously mentioned, apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy that can be used to treat a variety of different ailments. However, most people are unaware that it may actually provide benefits for the kidneys as well. In fact, some researchers believe that apple cider vinegar contains properties that can help break up kidney stones and even prevent them from occurring. This is mostly thanks to one of its primary ingredients known as acetic acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones so that they can pass more easily. Apple cider vinegar also has alkalizing effects on blood and urine, which helps to prevent new kidney stones from forming. Not to mention, apple cider vinegar is known for some other impressive health benefits as well. Some examples include: it helps with weight loss, lowers blood sugar levels, improves blood fat levels, helps with digestion, promotes healthy skin and hair, boosts energy levels, boosts your immune system, prevents muscle cramps, and reduces cold symptoms. We've talked more about each of these benefits in other videos here on our channel. And these are just a few of the many reasons why you can consider adding apple cider vinegar to your daily regimen, just as long as it's recommended by your physician. With that said, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was helpful and can help you improve your overall health over time. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I'll drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.